Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so thrilled because today I have a really special video for you. It's another jewelry video. If you've been following me, you know I'm totally obsessed with jewelry, especially solid gold pieces that last a lifetime. I'm all about investing in items that are worth every penny instead of constantly replacing plated jewelry. Today, I'm partnering with an amazing brand called Linjer, and I've got a few pieces I can't wait to show you. So, let's get started. Let's jump into the details. First up, I have this stunning December birthstone ring from Linjer made of 14-karat solid gold. Look at this gorgeous ombre effect. It has deep cordierite stones transitioning to light cordierite and white topaz. I'm absolutely in love with it. It's perfect for a special occasion or as a meaningful gift for someone you care about. And the price on Linjer's website is amazing for this quality, just $289. Next, we have the faceted ring, Katrina in gold vermeil. Isn't it so elegant? The faceted surface catches the light so beautifully, and it's only 1.9 millimeters wide, which makes it perfect for stacking with other rings like the birthstone one or wearing it solo. Guess what? It's only $59. I feel like that's such a steal for how well made it is. These rings are truly pieces you'll cherish for years, and I love that Linjer offers such high-quality designs at prices that won't break the bank. The last piece is a total game changer for anyone who travels or loves keeping their jewelry organized. This is Linjer's mini travel jewelry case in cognac. It's made of vegan leather with a soft velvet lining, and the size is just perfect. You can easily slip it into your purse or suitcase. I love how it keeps my ring safe and it looks so chic at the same time. The best part? It's only $40 on Linjer's website. It's such a practical yet luxurious addition to my collection. I'm honestly so in love with these pieces from Linjer, you guys. The December birthstone ring and Katrina ring add such a classy touch to any look, and this travel case makes organizing my jewelry so easy and stylish. I love that Linjer offers high-quality solid gold pieces at prices that are so accessible. It's the perfect place to start building your own jewelry collection. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I've got a little treat for you. If you shop on Linjer's website using the link in the description, you'll get a special discount with my code. The link and code are down below, so go check it out and let me know what you get. Thanks so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!